Right guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you some great tips and tricks how you can poach the perfect egg. Does that sound good to you? Let's get started then. Tip 1. Make sure you get the freshest eggs possible. The fresher the egg, the easier it will be to poach because the egg white will perfectly surround the yolk, making sure the yolk cooks perfectly. Tip 2. You've got to have it at room temperature before cooking it. To speed that process up, you can pop it in a bowl of warm water, and that will take about 10-15 minutes to bring it to room temperature. When poaching eggs, guys, I'll always recommend bringing the water to the boil. It's a lot easier to control the heat that way.
Now the water's clean in the boil, I like to add a splash of white wine vinegar. This helps the whites firm even faster to prevent them from dispersing in the water. And turn the heat down until the water is simmering.
Now, get your whisk. You're going to make a vortex in the center.
By doing this, we'll keep the egg white in a nice shape and keep it compacted together in the center.
Get your egg. Tap it on a flat surface. And gently lower it into the center. And let it cook gently for about 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want it boiling at this point, because if it's boiling, it's going to damage the yolk, damage the egg, it will make it go really rubbery, and it will go tough. You want it gentle.
This is what you're looking for. You can see it's not boiling. There's bubbles every so often come to the top. That's perfect. That's going to cook the egg to perfection. And when it's done, get a slotted spoon and drain off the excess liquid.
Guys, that's what you want. A gentle bounce. That's perfect.
Now enjoy your beautiful poached egg on some lovely toast, muffin, whatever you prefer. It's delicious. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this poached egg episode. If you did, please like and don't forget to subscribe. If you got anything you'd like to see in particular, comment down below.
And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. I'll see you guys very soon.